客家风情
Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
让我们来听听客家和世界上的节庆会碰撞出什么有趣的火花。
Hey, it's time for the World of Hakka here on ICRT. I'm Joseph Lin, and now we're in the month of August. Did you know that the name August actually was derived from a Roman emperor's name, Augustus Octavian? And in Italy, because of their religion, they also have a holiday during August, and it's called Ferragosto, or 八月节. But how about here in Taiwan? The Hakka people love to use the name of a month and make it into a holiday name. For instance, there's Nyejie, which is Dragon Boat Festival. There's also Banyeban, which is coming up for Mid-Autumn Festival. Let's welcome Jia to tell us all about it. Hello, Jia.
大家好，我是嘎嘎丽。
刚刚丢了一个小知识哦。其实刚刚讲的是英文哈，这个月份其实都是跟可能以前历史人物的名字有关了。
真的，
像跟什么罗马皇帝有关的 Augustus 就是 August 了。而客家人呢，还蛮喜欢把这个月份把它变成是节日的名字，就像我讲的这个
刚节就是端午节，还有半夜班，也就是中秋节。我记得很多事物像是油桐花啊，
也是
对，捏雪啊，对不对？
没错 ，The snow in May is referring to the tongue blossom that the Hakka celebrate, and again it has to do with the month name again, right? 好，那这个讲到中秋节就是半夜班。
对，半夜班。
我们年轻人了哈，我自己讲自己是年轻人。
要烤肉，要烤肉。
对，你知道我要讲什么？要烤肉。
对。
好，这是比较现代的一些习俗。
也好。
那客家人有没有比较传统的一些习俗呢？
有哦，像在云林兆安啊，就有客家文化季，其实给出会半夜班见，很有代表性的一个活动哦。我记得在伦贝乡就有咱内凤养安金，还有在二伦啊有西王祭，都有100年的历史。
哇 ，OK， 这听起来好像是跟可能以前农夫啊要这个秋收有关的感觉了，对不对？
对，其实就是一种感恩跟心情的哟，其实就是祈求平安纳福，而且我觉得也是增添了客庄这种丰富的节日气氛，台打空哈来勾结。
So it seems like the Hakka culture, because of farmers and the agriculture that they do, a lot of events or activities are associated with that. Very interesting. Well, let's teach you some of the phrases that we've taught, including, of course, 中秋节 or Mid-Autumn Festival. 怎么讲中秋节呢？
半夜班。
半夜班. Again, that literally means halfway through August. And then you got to have some 月饼 or mooncakes.
月饼.
月饼. And finally, for the young people like myself, we love to call 肉 or barbecue.
没错，大家一起泼音乐。
泼音乐，其实现在是什么年龄都喜欢的啦。
真的一定要泼音乐一嗨啦哈。
Well, thank you so much for listening to the World of Hakka.
什么台港？
安子 say
张磊了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.